Hello, welcome to my Son de France. So I'm going to open these two packages I got in the mail, and we'll see what I got today. This Clorox Fragancia. It's air freshener crystal beads, and this is in the scent Sweet Rose Water. I got some cookies, and Halls. These are sugar free. Gonna open it right now. It smells really good. And put the lid back on. And I think I'm gonna keep this in my kitchen because the other one already dried up. There it goes. Okay. So I'll put this in my kitchen. It smells like flowers. And then the next package. So this is instant oatmeal. So this is like my breakfast in the microwave. It has peaches and cream, strawberries and cream, bananas and cream, blueberries and cream. So it's all fruit and cream. And so I like this because like I can make pancakes with them, or add these to like some muffins, or do whatever with them. I usually just mix this with fruit and microwave it and add cinnamon and sweetener, and that's like either a quick dessert or a quick breakfast. So here I have more packages, and I'm gonna open those really fast. It says Uber with USB plugs for Windows in black. So let's get this open. Instructions. So it's a tiny little microphone. I didn't know it was going to be this small. And it has this to it. So I didn't know it was going to be this small. I wouldn't have bought it. But it was one of two. The other one was The other one was a pink microphone. So I'm pretty sure it was much larger than this. But this was like the only USB microphone. So that's why I got it, because it was a USB microphone. And I thought it would be neat to have an actual microphone instead of using a lavalier, and actually having audio for my videos. I thought that'd be awesome. If only. This just goes like this, like it shows you in the picture. And you just aim it. And they also have the lavalier. That's kind of, I have a wireless one. And then they have this one, which is used for computers mostly. And like professional recordings. This one looks really nice. Like if I were gonna put something in front of my face, I would like this one. I have a stand already for a microphone. If I want to use that, then it would be easier to do that. But I don't think this tiny little microphone would work with the arm stand. It might. I'm not gonna try it because it's a waste of effort. So I think my expectations kind of like ruined it, but I kind of wanted a more powerful microphone. So I mean, this is like a 7 out of 10 because I didn't order this. If I would have wanted a toy, I would have ordered a toy. This looks like a toy, but it says it's for computer use, and I'm going to trust that it's going to be quality digital audio, and that's all I can do at this point. This smaller one, I think this is the accessory to my phone. So these are knee pads for working out and dancing and volleyball. And these are adapters for a USB port, connect to a USB-C port. And it came in a 2-pack for like under $5, so that was good. And these were, I believe these were like $5 or so. Maybe they were less than 10, so that was good. And I'll be using these for my workouts as I continue on my progress in fitness. So like I do a lot of exercises that require being on the floor, and it's not that I don't want to get my hands dirty, it's just that I find it a lot easier to have the extra support of not using my, what do you call it, ACL? At this point, I'm 43, you don't get younger. So this is pretty good padding. I'd say this was pretty good padding. And it's really sturdy material. It's like a bandage material. So this is like really gym durable. Like literally, I take this to the gym. This is good stuff. I approve, 10 out of 10. This is the next package. It's just toilet paper. What? Wow. I'm like, please be snacks. Yay! What is this? Medicine. Orange. Oh, juice. Oh, I got this for like $2. So that's pretty good. And then I got vitamins. This is called Glowing Skin. So, like, you know, I was going to this clinic for, to improve my health, and so I had my labs done. I had a treatment done, and, you know, and so this was like, he recommended that I continue, and I decided to try these. This says hyaluronic acid, collagen, and sea buckthorn. Oops. They're kind of big, and I think they're flavored. They taste just like candy. They're just flavored in berry. It has a picture right there. And they're pretty good. Let's see. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys again soon on my Son de Femme. Bye-bye.